Are you getting the react-native-win32 library DLL error after the Microsoft Edge Meta update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Quickly resolve react-native-win32 library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the react-native-win32 library, the core execution library for React Native applications running on the Windows Win32 subsystem. It manages the bridge between JavaScript code and localized Windows UI components. If missing, modern desktop apps, like some newer Windows Store apps, will fail to launch, reporting a JavaScript engine load failure. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like react-native-win32, library DLL, and restore stability. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including react-native-win32 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be aware that manual interventions for react-native-win32 library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including react-native-win32 library management references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix react-native-win32 library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.